Guys, it's Kim.
Daddy Randall.
And we're back with part 2 of Guess the Celebrity. You guys really enjoyed the last video, so I figured I'd do a part 2. I made it a bit easier this time because I felt bad. So I made it a bit easier this time. So how do you feel going into round 2?
I take 10 again.
So you think 10 of because there's 20 of them. So
10. 10? 9.
I think you'll do pretty good.
I put my score down lower before me say more. Yeah.
Okay.
9 proper 9.
9, okay. Yeah. So, all right. So what I'll do this time, I'll give you some grace. If you can tell me 2 things about the person and you just can't remember the name,
yes,
I'll give you a half a mark.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about, Flapper.
Okay, because I felt bad.
yeah, because you have to teach a mark half and half, so.
Okay, so how about this? I'm going to start off easy.
Yes.
To get you nice and comfortable.
Yes.
All right, so the first person I'm going to do is, let me see. I'm going to start off easy. Okay. Very, very simple. Oops, sorry. Very simple.
Tiger Hood.
Okay. So.
Tiger Hood, man.
Tiger Hood. Okay. I'm going to give you another easy one.
Flapper.
The camera. 10.
Flapper. Jesus Christ.
How do you not know him?
I'm Papa.
Okay, so you have to tell me when you're tapping out.
Count out, Papa.
Jackie Chan.
Oh yeah, Jesus Christ.
Rush out. What is it good
Yes, Jackie Chan.
That's so embarrassing.
Wow.
That was one of your easy ones.
Wow.
Oh my. Okay, so.
But you remember you say
no, but you.
Something about.
No, I said if you can tell me 2 things about them, I'll give you the point.
Okay,
you did not know that man at
but
all.
remember that part of Flapper.
Okay.
Jackie Chan, man.
Okay, so this is another easy one. Randall.
Yeah, hold on, Flapper. Jesus Christ. You have movie, Flapper. A movie star. Flapper, movie star, Flapper.
Oh my God, I'm so disappointed, Daddy.
Flapper, movie star, Flapper. You say a movie star, Flapper.
I'm so disappointed in you.
Yes, Flapper. Remember him, Flapper?
You're giving up?
Yes.
The Rock? The
way
The Rock Johnson,
movie star.
He's a wrestler before anything, so you're not getting a point for that.
But it's a movie star. It's a movie star.
No, because you can say that for anybody. You have to tell me at least a movie that he. How do you not know The Rock?
We don't watch rock movies.
But he was a wrestler, like OG wrestler, like WWE.
Yes,
That's crazy.
We don't watch
WWF. I don't know. That's crazy. Wow. Okay. It's not looking good because that was an easy one. Okay, so this is a super easy one. You have 10 seconds. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7. Mighty God.
Janet Jackson. Papa,
why don't you leave Janet Jackson alone?
Beyonce.
Yes. That's horrible. Okay. Another easy one.
Kanye West, man.
All right.
I don't know if we know that Kanye West.
Okay, good job. Okay, how about this guy?
No. Me know him, no. Him is what we do. He come from California. He sing music. He sing music, Papa. Don't tell me, Flapper. Me know him. Flapper, me know him.
I didn't say anything.
I'm a favorite man. Flapper.
Oh, really?
Yes. Jesus Christ, Flapper. Flapper, he come from Canada. He come from California. He sing music. Hold on. He have a little son too. Where our nephew.
He does have a son.
Our nephew where he sing music too. And him, Jesus Christ, he have movie too. He have movie with a singer too. Last week.
Last week is crazy.
I see a movie.
That's so sad.
No, Flapper. You have to give me some more time.
I'll give you the time that you need.
Jesus. Oh, we can
smoke weed every day.
Coach.
I know this is gonna piss you off.
Flapper, you have me sweat, Flapper.
Sorry, Wookie. Tell me when you give up.
Jesus, take my tooth back. My two packs in the same at the same time. Plapper, just give me one clean plapper.
No, because if you know him, if I give you a small hint, you're gonna get it.
But Plapper, me have to get him. Me have to get him Plapper. Gee, since we talk about him, say me like him, you know.
8, 7.
Gee, no Plapper, tap count down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you the initial. SD. First name S, last name D.
Soup dog. Soup dog. What do you mean, Papa? I know that soup dog. Soup dog. Soup dog. Papa, no worry about it, but soup dog. What do you mean, man? Them don't know him, Papa, man.
Okay. How about this guy? I feel like I went so easy.
This is rapper from Papa Diddy.
Huh?
Diddy.
Diddy. Good job.
I got to say, man, Papa. We're going to vote already, Papa.
No, we haven't even done 10 yet. Okay, how about this guy?
You have moved to Jamaica, do you know?
I try to like put celebrities that you should know.
But you have moved to Jamaica.
He is.
You have moved to Jamaica too. You have moved too, I think.
I don't know if you'll get, don't look at the rest. I don't know if you'll necessarily get his name.
No, but
You should.
I know my name.
Straight out of Compton.
I know Plapper. I know my name, but I know him.
Okay.
Move it too.
Do you give up?
Yes.
Ice Cube.
Yes.
That's horrible. Okay, this guy you have to know. This should take you like 10 seconds.
Jesus. Hold on, Papa. The shot, mama, we're in. All right, Papa. Right now, I'm advertising some money, something. I'm on TV right now. I'm on my number one shooter from not the Lakers, in Golden State, Chris Brown. In Chase Bank. Chase Bank, where they advertise money to.
Okay, I'll give you that. I don't know if
yes,
that's true, but
yes,
okay. But...
Chase Bank, him advertising money from the Chase.
Okay.
The Chase money. Okay. And him Curry. Steph Curry advertising. Check it out, Papa.
Oh, that's fine. That's one.
Yes,
one. I said two things.
There are two things I tell you.
What is the other thing?
The bank. And
don't try it.
Yes.
If they're doing the
and
act together, it's still
my short ball.
That is. What's that man's name?
No. Papa, me all right, Papa. I have movies too, Papa.
He is an actor.
Yes. And he advertised for the Chase Bank.
The bank. Does at least try to get the person's name.
Papa, I just with the problem with the wife, you know, Papa. I just with the twin, Papa, he have the problem, my cheap, but me know him, man.
So,
Papa, give it to me, Papa, man, and you have more, Papa.
Kevin Hart.
Kevin Hart,
because you should know Kevin Hart's name.
Yeah, Papa.
You're not getting a point for that. Okay, how about this guy? You're getting even worse. Chris Tucker. He's in Rush Hour with...
that one, that first one, no more.
Okay, how about this lady?
Janet Jackson. This is my Janet Jackson. Yep.
I had to put her in because I'm like, okay, you have to know her at this point.
That's my Janet Jackson.
Okay, how about this lovely lady?
She sings song right now. Jesus Christ. Young singer, man. She right now, she sing all the song, man. She number one singer right now. Ooh. But she young and she about sing song right now. Papa, I remember him, but I know she sing right now. Papa.
You give up?
Give me one thing.
No. You're on the right path. You're on the right path.
I remember, Papa, but I know she has seen all she right now she on top. Top right now.
She is, but you were starting off her name. Okay, you want me, Taylor Swift.
I
told you to say something. You're not saying anything. That's not my problem. How about this lovely lady? Lady Gaga. How do you not?
But there's a different stuff.
How about this guy? If you don't know him, I'm appalled.
Basketball, you know?
Not at all.
No, sir. No, my brother.
Floyd Mayweather? That's
embarrassing.
That's embarrassing. No, I don't care what you have to say.
That's long time flapper. I can't get ready flapper.
I don't care how much you're like. How about this guy?
Flapper.
Who is
give me,
he?
all right, give me 2 marks in that one. That one, flapper. I don't know it.
Tell me the person's name.
Mike Tyson.
Period. You're not getting no 2 points, though. You tried it. How about this lady?
Hold on. No worries. No,
I didn't even say anything.
At tennis specialist, 2 sisters. Jesus, 2 sisters. She had the younger one. She had the younger one.
On the right path. Go ahead.
Yeah, tell me first sister name.
No, because
you're mad.
Their names go together. I can't.
You're mad, man. You're mad if you know she, man.
You should know her.
I didn't know her, Papa.
Because as a black woman, she's killing it.
I remember
or
that.
Killed it. Been killing it, I should say.
Tennis star, that enough, Papa. She reading with more style. She any one find don't ask you or something, you know.
You just keep telling me stories.
So,
Her name.
but you said me tell you two
I know.
things.
I should have said that because I want her
She
names.
have a daughter too.
Yes,
You understand me? Yeah. Papa, you have to give me a pass if you know this embarrassment, Papa.
You should be embarrassed. That's why I'm not giving you no point for just knowing nothing. She's she pays way for black women.
I know that, Papa. I know.
Know her.
My friend used to call her the bull. My friend used to call her the bull, man. God have mercy. God. Papa. When can I the money, Papa?
Okay. Her first name starts with, her last name starts with W. First name starts with S. I shouldn't have to do all this.
No, tell me now.
I'm not going to tell you. Yes. That's embarrassing. I shouldn't have to tell you.
No. You see, that you have to problem like your hard camera people name them Papa. Serena Williams.
There we go. No, but I rock because I have
but Papa.
That's embarrassing.
Papa, but me know everything.
That's embarrassing.
Serena Williams, man.
How about this guy?
The rapper there, right? Hold on, man, a rapper. Lord have mercy. Sim Shady.
If you weren't my father, I would slap you. If you weren't my father, I will pull.
Oh, no. Calm. I can't come from.
Yes.
Beaver. Papa, you know what I'm calling Beaver? In come from Stratford. Stratford didn't come from. Stratford didn't come from.
I know.
Papa. You know they call him.
Nobody calls him Beaver.
In come from Stratford,
it's very close to what you said. It's just not Beaver. Slim Shady.
No. Slim Shady is a whole guy. Me know, man. Why me not remember name? Why me can't remember name?
It's close to the Beaver that you said.
Me not remember name, Papa. But me tell me know him.
No, I'll give you this point, but no,
yes.
I'm not gonna. There's certain people I'll give you points for. I feel like you should know him.
Yes,
you know all his life story.
Yes, Papa. You come from Stratford and
All right, just stop. You said Beaver. Think about Beaver and just think about the name. JB.
Justin Bieber.
I'll give you that, Justin Bieber. Good job. Like, just say it
you can
vocalize
Justin
it.
Bieber, them type of minutes, you know it. Papa,
no, you didn't.
What?
I'm gonna mark and see how many things I have to help you with.
Yes, but Papa, that's what teachers supposed to do?
I'm not a teacher. I'm a marker.
Okay,
right. How about this guy?
I might know Papa in the TV.
Jimmy Fallon. I felt like you would know him.
So, no what, Papa.
Okay, we only have like 2 left.
Oh, thank God.
Original Kings of Comedy.
Ben Papa, I'm on Facebook.
Bernie Mac, rest in peace.
So you make you know everything, Papa.
No, that's why I left it. And last but not least,
Me know him, Papa. The word self. Me I get him. He sing the most song right now. He have the most song in I sang. I come from Canada too. You understand me? In Raptor,
I didn't ask you the story. I asked you what their name is.
Boy, that's the things that things very hard. I tell you, how can you with him talk about this guy?
You should be embarrassed.
I mean, when we did it long, I don't know my name proper.
That's embarrassing.
You see me now?
No, I'm not gonna. You need to say a word. Make a guess. That's how it works.
Embarrassing, Papa. This one is embarrassing. Not even like a word in my first name. I tell you flat truth, Papa.
He only has one name, if that helps. Do you give up? Do you want a countdown?
No, Flapper. Give me a hint.
I just said he has one name. I can't. There's no way I can really give you a hint with this one. Because you know he's from Toronto. He's always at the Raptors game. You already know those.
You see music too.
I'm not doing that anymore. Okay. No more rounds of that. Because you're going to just say the same thing. He's a singer, of course.
Number one singer in Canada too.
Okay, do you want to get his name? That's Drake. That's embarrassing. Okay, so that is the end of that. Actually, no. Let me see something first.
No, Papa.
No. It's easy.
You said Drake.
I want to see something. I want to see something. Because I'm going to go back to 3 of the people I asked you the last time. To see if the ones that you should know. This guy.
Tyler Perry.
Good job. No, I want to see if you learn. This guy.
Chris Rock that man.
Still saying Chris Rock.
Oh
my God. Oh my God. Okay, this lady.
I see him sing again in the flapper.
She's not a singer, Daddy. You guessed her name the last time.
I don't know.
Kim Kardashian. Yeah, you're embarrassing.
Eddie Murphy. Flapper. It's a tree, no flapper.
That's the last one.
Flapper is a tree.
Last one. You got into a lot of trouble the last time.
Yeah, man. Papa.
You still don't remember her name.
Yeah, I remember her name, Papa. I'm not calling by name this time. I'm not calling by name again, Papa. I'm not calling him, Papa.
Okay.
That's good,
So
Papa.
that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay beautiful.
Bye.
Bye.
Papa.